dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today we are here to do another cheap wig slay. This is a synthetic slay, y'all. I am wearing a wig cap. We are going to install this unit. So I will be using the Janet Collection Extended Part Gabriela wig. This is in the color 1. Now this wig does have lace, but it is not a lace front. And again, it is by Janet Collection. Now this is a synthetic wavy unit. Really beautiful waves. Now this wig does come with combs. It has 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and it has a drawstring and a very long part, but not too long, and it does come with its own baby hairs. So I'm just going to plop this wig on my head. And initially putting this wig on, I thought that it really looked good straight out of the pack. So ladies, I do think that, you know, this does look good, like straight out of the pack. You don't really have to do much to it. I really do like how it looks, but the only thing is that line of demarcation. You can definitely tell that it is a wig. You can see where the wig starts. So I am going to try to camouflage that. So I am going to comb over some of the hair on the lace to fix you being able to see that. But look at this beautiful hair texture, you guys. This hair is so fluffy. It's so beautiful. It's so big, but not too big. So initially, yes, it is beautiful, but we do have to camouflage that lace. So to camouflage this part, this does take a little bit of effort. I combed the hair over, but you can still kind of see that line of demarcation. So I am just putting some more gel on that, and I'm going to take my foundation powder and just kind of press that into the area and put it into my part as well, and try to camouflage that a little bit better. Baby, I'm on my way. And here is my finished look, you guys. Very minimal effort, very beautiful wig, you guys. I would definitely recommend this wig. Like, I would say it's definitely a wig that you can wear straight out of the pack. So if you guys are looking for some beautiful hair, a synthetic cheap unit that is bomb, get this wig, girl. I will leave all of the information down below. Everything you need to know will be down there. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you are following me on Instagram.